Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 30th of May. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director of Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is a weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week I'm looking at Wallys, AMP, Appen, Live Tiles and PAR. So if you have a request, make sure you email it through. Make sure you've signed up to our free newsletter and you're also sharing this on social media, and any advice here is general only. So we'll start off with Wallys. This is a daily chart. If we zoom in, as you can see, classic flag formation. So we've got a massive rally up at the beginning of the year, and since then it's been easing back in a flag. So potential breakout here, came back into the range, but what's positive is this big rally here a couple of days ago, which is a good sign. We just need to see an upside break here, but indications are, given we've got this move here, that it should do one soon. So, looking at it longer term, if we get a break from here, you're looking at levels back up towards sort of $17, $18. AMP, so if we have a look at a weekly, as you can see, in the last few years, quite a big downtrend. If we just focus on the last several months, it does look like a falling wedge, which could be a positive sign of a low potentially forming it, but there's no positive momentum yet. And as we look at a daily chart, again, it looks like it's forming a base, but just no positive momentum yet. So I think we've probably seen a downside, but we don't really need to be rushing into it just yet. With Appen, so obviously it's had a fantastic run over the last few years. We've liked it for a while. If we have a look at what it's done most recently, looking at the daily chart, we've got this ascending triangle, which is a positive. It's a positive consolidation. So consolidating the move here with resistance near $26, finally saw a breakout. So for us, we're just hanging on for more upside. So at the end of the day, all of this is looking quite bullish. Live Tiles. So a good run since the start of the year. What we've noticed though is the recent pullback on a weekly chart has pretty much sat on top of this high here, give or take a few cents. So that's actually a positive sign. Basically an Elliott wave, we've got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 would indicate a new high. So what's quite good is the fact that we've got volume on this move here. So in terms of this move back up, a massive spike in volume. So Live Tiles is looking pretty good. I expect it to head to a new high for the year pretty shortly. And finally, PAR, not one I've heard of. I mean, generally it's been trading pretty well. If we look at a weekly chart, it's had a fantastic run since the beginning of last year. The pullback recently though was on quite a bit of volume. So if we have a look at the volume on these few days down, that's a bit of a concern. It is starting to round out though, but given the volume on the way down, I really want to see a kick up in the share price, especially beyond about $1.60. So can't get too excited just yet because of this volume, but if we see a nice sort of rounding out and a pop up above $1.60, then potentially we have a trade there. All right, well that's it for this week. If you have a request, make sure you send it through and we'll look at it next week for you.